What if I told you that for every $100 you make selling online, you're giving away up to $60 or more to companies that couldn't care less about your success? Well, today I'm going to talk about the elephant in the room that's crushing small business owners: excessive marketplace fees. When you factor in all the fees from Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, or any marketplace for that matter, referral fees, subscription costs, advertising expenses, payment processing charges, and fulfillment fees quickly add up to a lot of money. But what if you could eliminate most of these costs while still maintaining or even growing your sales? Sound too good to be true? Well, I've been doing this for 18 years now with my online store over at bumblebeelinens.com. Even though I make multiple six figures selling my products on Amazon, my e-commerce website generates 5x more money and the profit margins are much higher as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you one powerful strategy to break free from marketplace dependence and reveal the most effective way to advertise your own store profitably. Now, I've been teaching e-commerce for over 14 years now, and almost everyone always asks me the exact same question. Hey Steve, Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and Walmart have all the customers and traffic, so how can I possibly succeed on my own? Or they'll ask, hey Steve, I tried launching my own online store a while back and I couldn't generate any sales. It is just not possible. Now, first off, marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, and eBay do not have all the customers. In fact, the combined market share of Amazon, Walmart, eBay, and Etsy in the United States e-commerce sector is around 50%, which means half of the customers don't even shop there. And if you tried and failed at starting your own online store in the past, don't blame Shopify. I'll bet you $1,000 that the problem isn't the platform, it's you. But before we dive into that, let's address the biggest concern that most people have about starting their own online store. How do you drive traffic to your own website? And one powerful option is meta ads. Now, before you roll your eyes and say, oh my God, Steve, running meta ads is complicated and expensive, yada, 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 just hear me out. Amazon, Walmart, and Etsy already force you to use their ad platforms to generate sales. So if you're going to learn how to advertise anyway, why not drive that traffic to a site that you actually own? With just meta ads alone, you can easily scale an e-commerce business to 7 figures and beyond, but there are some caveats. In order to run meta ads profitably, your products need to meet a few key criteria to even have a chance. So first off, your average order value should be at least $50. I've seen sellers make do with less, but it's going to be much harder unless you can generate at least $50 per sale. Second, your gross margin should be at least 50% and ideally around 66%. Now, this is probably going to rule out most dropshippers, but honestly, dropshipping isn't a good long-term business model anyway. Now, here's where most people get it wrong: your mindset. Your goal with meta ads isn't to make a huge profit right away. Your goal is to break even. Yeah, you heard that correctly, break even. Now, of course, it's great if you can make money up front, but once your ads are breaking even or better, it actually makes sense to spend as much money as possible. Now, why is that? Because at break even, you're building a customer base. You're growing your email list and generating repeat business for free. Plus, you're establishing a strong brand presence and your ads will have a halo effect on your organic Amazon sales. Now, the second mindset shift you need to make is letting go of the reins and trusting Meta to find your customers for you. Everything related to Meta ads is now powered by machine learning and artificial intelligence, and the algorithm is smarter than any human. As a result, the hardest part of running profitable Meta ads today isn't learning how to run the ads, it's understanding how to create good ad creatives. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I create ads for my store, bumblebeelinens.com, and walk you through my campaign structure step by step. Now, if you ask anyone who runs Facebook ads today, most of them will tell you that some of their highest converting ads are video testimonials from real people. If you can get someone to record a high quality video endorsing your product, it will probably perform really well in an advertisement. But here's the problem. Getting a customer to record a high quality video that doesn't suck is extremely difficult. For my store, I have tried it all, giving out free products, gift cards, discounts, you name it, in exchange for a video review. And 9 times out of 10, the videos are unusable. Most regular customers just aren't great on camera. So the first thing I'm going to teach you is how to create Facebook ads using AI-generated content creators. All the people you see here on my screen are individuals you can use with any script you create, and they'll present your script just like a real spokesperson. And just to be clear, these are real people, real actors. The AI simply modifies what they say, and depending on your script, their expressions and mannerisms will adapt to match the message you want to convey. Before artificial intelligence, you'd have to spend thousands of dollars hiring actors or influencers to do this. But now, an inexpensive tool can handle it for you at a fraction of the cost with professional quality. Right now, I'm using a tool called ArcAds to generate my user-generated content ads, and let me just play a couple for you right now, and I'll let you be the judge.
My sister just became a mom, and I wanted to get her something sentimental. So I had her baby's birth date embroidered on a handkerchief, and when she opened it, she said, "This is the sweetest thing I've ever gotten." And what's cool is that she turned it into a cute baby bonnet and keeps it in her baby's memory box. Thanks to Bumblebee Linens for helping me create such a special moment.
Now, if I didn't tell you this was AI generated, would you have even known? The best part is that you're not limited to just showing the person on screen the entire time. You can do cuts, add B-roll, make various edits to keep the ad dynamic and engaging. There's a lot of flexibility with how you can structure and style your content. Now, the main takeaway here is that you can create endless scripts and testimonial videos with virtually no effort. No chasing customers for reviews, no awkward videos, you get professional quality content on demand. Now let me walk you through exactly how I create one of these ads, and I'll give you a quick tour of the platform that I use. And again, it's called ArcAds, and so far, it's the most human-like AI tool that I've come across. Now before I even open ArcAds, the first thing I do is come up with a script. And there are two ways I approach this. The first way is to go through my existing list of customer testimonials and turn those into a script. This is usually where I start because these are the actual words real customers have used to describe our products. It's authentic and it resonates with new audiences because it sounds genuine, because it is genuine. But what if you're a newer shop and you don't have many testimonials yet? This is where my second method comes in. I'll head over to the Facebook ads library, find a high converting video ad, and just tweak the script to fit my own product. In case you've never used the Facebook ads library before, it is basically a free database of every single meta ad currently running around the world, and it's an absolute goldmine for ad inspiration. So what I typically do is search for companies in my niche, look for a talking head video, and study how they structure their message. And then I modify it to fit my product's unique selling points. And once I've got the script dialed in, that's when I jump into ArcAds to bring it to life. For example, here's a talking head video from a jewelry company that sells keepsakes similar to my company. Now, there's no point in me paying a content creator hundreds of dollars to create a video like this. It might flop, and I don't want to throw money down the drain. But with ArcAds, I can test the concept first using AI and see how it performs without spending a lot of money. So the first thing I do is screen record the video and have it transcribed. Then I cut and paste the transcript into ChatGPT, upload my own photo of my own product, and have AI adapt the script. And once I've got a solid script, I head over to ArcAds and pick an actor that matches my target demographic. And this process is super easy. All you got to do is hover your mouse over an actor, and you'll instantly see and hear a voice sample to get a feel for how they'll present your ad. Now for my store, most of my customers are women over the age of 35. So I usually select actors under the adult or senior categories. And depending on what you sell, you can also choose actors with specific accessories or in certain situations that fit your product. And finally, I just paste the script, hit go, and within about 30 minutes, I've got an AI-generated video that looks and sounds like a real person. Here's an ad I created for my shop just the other day. Pretty amazing, right? Now, once you've generated 3 of these videos, it's time to move on to the next step, which is creating the actual meta ad. When I run Facebook ads, I use a strategy called the 3-2-2 method. This means I test 3 creatives, 2 descriptions, and 2 headlines. So if I were setting up a meta ad campaign, I would upload the 3 videos I made with ArcAds, write 2 different product descriptions, and create 2 different headlines. Then I'd launch a campaign and let it run. Every week, usually on a Monday, I check the ad stats to see how things are performing. If an ad is doing well, I simply increase the budget by 20% to scale it. If it's not performing, I turn it off and start testing a new round of creatives. It is a very straightforward strategy that is 100% doable even if you know nothing about advertising. And if you're skeptical, here's something that you need to fundamentally understand. Running Facebook ads is like panning for gold. You have to keep testing different creatives until you strike gold with messaging that converts. And when you find that winning ad, that's when you go all in and max out your ad spend. Now, I know some of you guys are going to try this strategy and still struggle to make sales, so let me give you some additional advice. The number one reason most people can't generate sales with their online store comes down to one thing: the lack of trust. So before you spend a single dollar on meta ads, you need to make sure your website is ready to convert traffic into customers. Now, you don't need to be a web designer, and your site doesn't have to look like some fancy modern masterpiece. Heck, I'll be the first to admit that bumblebeelinens.com isn't the best looking site in the world. But here's the key. You need to reassure customers that if they place an order, their experience will be just as reliable as shopping on Amazon. Here's how you build trust, and it's simpler than you think. First, you must display key trust signals front and center on your website. Offer free shipping and no hassle returns, and make sure your contact information is easy to find. Your contact info should be readily accessible on every single page of your site, because not having a phone number and physical address will cut your conversion rate in half, and I'm not even exaggerating here. Now, if you're hesitant about putting your personal cell number out there, don't worry. Just sign up for a free virtual phone number with Google Voice. But trust me, no one's going to call you in the beginning. And if you ever reach a point where you're getting too many calls, well, congrats. That means your store is doing well enough that you can afford to hire a customer service rep in the Philippines for around $400 a month. Now, the next thing you must have on your website is social proof. People are like lemmings, and they always follow the pack. Unless the customer knows that someone else has made a purchase before on your site, they aren't going to buy either. That means that you must have social proof on your website in the form of testimonials, press mentions, basically anything that shows that people are buying from you. Now, if you're a brand new site with no press or testimonials yet, once again, you can create testimonials using arcads.ai. Just script up what you want a customer to say about your product and have ArcAds generate a realistic testimonial until you have real testimonials of your own. Then, place these testimonials on every single page of your site, especially at points where you want a customer to take action, like during checkout or an add to cart. Now, as with everything in life, there's going to be a learning curve when it comes to running ads for your own online store. But let's be real here. Learning how to sell on Amazon has an equally steep learning curve. So if you're going to invest time learning something, why not spend it learning how to make sales on a platform that you actually own? The best part is that these testimonial videos you are making with ArcAds can be posted on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, and over time, some of them are bound to go viral. Now that you understand what it takes to generate sales with your own online store, make sure you watch this video here on exactly what I would do today if I were to start a Shopify store from complete scratch.